What's going on YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be installing a shop crane. So before I get into the video, if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for daily uploads. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to do is grab these wheels and put them in these 4 spots all over here, and then go ahead and bolt them down. So I'm going to finish doing that, and then when I finish that, we'll get to the next step. Alright, so got all my wheels on, and that's pretty simple. So just get this piece. The wheel will be in the box like that with all your hardware. I mean all the washers and nuts and bolts. And what you want to do is you want to get this part and have a locking washer and put the washer on the bottom side with this bolt. So that's how you want to do that. And what you'll need for this, so you'll need one of these. You'll just need something with a longer reach for these back ones, and you'll just need a 15. I went ahead and used the impact and put the 15 on that to make it simple, but those are the 2 things you'll need. That'll save, the impact will save you a lot of time, but you can also just use a regular socket wrench, either one, but you'll need a 15 for all the bolts. I'm going to get started on the second part. Let me get the directions, and then I'll explain everything. Alright, so we got this piece together, and what you want to make sure you do is on the top piece, the top of this piece right here, use the rounded bolts. So, you know, the round flathead bolts. And then on these bottom 2 pieces right here where it's kind of flaring out, make sure you use the Phillip head bolts. So when you see these, that's for the bottom 2 right here. And for the bottom of the legs, which is this right here, make sure you use the other 4 bolts. So don't put those down here. Make sure you put these kind of bolts on the top up here and on the bottom of the leg wheels, and you'll be good to go. I made the mistake of putting those bolts right there, and I had to take them off and redo them. So just a quick little update. Next, what you want to do is, I already have one in, but you want to grab these pins with the little piece on the end right here, and you want to go ahead and throw the legs in and slide them through. So I got one in, and I gotta put one more. So I got one in right here. I gotta put one more right there, and then other side. And then next we're gonna install the boom tower. So I'm about to do all of that. Well, I'm about to throw these legs on, and then we can get to the next part. Alright, so here's what we have so far. So after you put the wheels on and put the legs on, you want to go ahead and mount your boom tower. And with that, you just need It's 2 bolts. They didn't label any of them, so I'm sorry. It's gonna be the second. They're gonna be the skinny long bolts. That's the best way I can explain it. But you want to put those through right here, and make sure that it's going at a backwards angle. So it's gonna look something like that, going backwards. Then after that, you wanna get your supports right here. You wanna get your supports, and you're gonna mount those on the side. So that's what I'm about to do now. Well guys, I got carried away working and didn't turn the camera back on, so I had a few problems because the bolts, I was having problems getting all the correct bolts in the correct spot. So it's very simple though. I'll go ahead and show y'all how I resolved that. Literally on which page is it? On the second, or this is page 4. I have a diagram of all the bolts. So if you're trying to figure out what bolt goes where, like the instructions say right here, put it on this diagram. So I'll go ahead and explain. So the ram bolts are, everything's all different, but I got it all together. After, I figured out the bolt debacle, it made it simple. Make sure that the boom tower is facing that way, facing backwards. That's gonna be another one. But yeah, that's it. I got it all together. I'm sorry I didn't record. I got carried away working, and I just got in the zone. That's what happens when you start working on things sometimes, but it's all together. I just wanted to vlog me putting this together for everyone. So now that I have an engine crane, you can only guess what the engine crane is going to be for. So got that, and I'm gonna have to move these out the way. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but they're gonna be moved out the way for now. But yeah, also was attempting to work on the jet ski, but I'm gonna have to save that for a later date. I really don't feel like fooling with that at the end of the day. But I should have something interesting coming in tomorrow's upload having to do with this. So I hope y'all are ready, because I am. But that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry I didn't record everything, but it's pretty straightforward. This engine hoist was, I believe this engine hoist was about $150. I can't remember completely, but it works, and I'll go ahead and show y'all. Get my handle. So, if you wanna see, there's a little, hold on, let me grab some light. All right, so you see there's a little knob right there, and I love this little light I got from Harbor Freight. This little light is coming, it's paid for itself already. I think I paid 15 bucks for it at Harbor Freight. So all you need to do is stick the jack handle right here like that, twist that to the right, I already have, and then you're good to start raising the jack up. So just throw it in here, and yes, it moves pretty slow, but it works. So I like that, and let it back down and just twist to the right or to your left. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I didn't upload yesterday. It was Memorial Day. Not only did I have to work, it was raining all day. Another day in Texas. So happy Memorial Day to everyone. Hope y'all are ready for future uploads on this channel. And I'm happy with how this turned out. We're gonna see how it works. So y'all stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. But as always, y'all take it easy, and I will catch y'all in the next video.